Hello, Scooter Syndicate. Are you in the market for an electric scooter? One that's faster than a bird scooter? One that's rear wheel drive rather than front wheel drive? Are you looking for a scooter that can go 28 miles per hour and has a 28-mile range? Then let me tell you about the Isinwheel GT1. All right, let me get off it and show it to you. Yeah, guys, this scooter is sick. It's rear wheel drive. You know, I've had front wheel drive scooters that are slow, and I've had dual wheel drive scooters that are fast. But this is a rear wheel drive scooter that is fast. Dual suspension, 10-inch off-road wheels. Oops, pulled the thing instead. 800 watt motor, 48 volt battery, 10 amp hours, charge time of 5 to 6 hours, cruise control, headlight, tail light, blinkers, and also LEDs. Also LED light show. That woman looked at me. I have a motocross helmet on and a 28 mile an hour scooter. That girl looked at me with judgment, which is fair. Yeah, I discovered this recently. It has a little RGB light show that happens on the side when you click the power button once. Yeah, I've been riding this scooter for a couple days now, just like daily driving it to the coffee shop and all that. And I go to Starbucks. There's pretty ladies outside. I go towards the curb like I'm gonna jump off the curb. You know, like you do, like when you're on a Sur-Ron, you just kind of give it a little throttle, lean back a little bit, jump off of the 4-inch curb and land with both wheels flat. Yeah, that's not what I did. Gave her the juice, pulled the throttle, trigger throttle, put my foot on the little bar in the back, did a little bit of a wheelie, came off the curb good, rear wheel hit the ground first, looped out in front of all the pretty ladies at Starbucks. Yeah, it was not cool, and I hurt my wrist for like 2-3 days. Ooh, should we go off-road? Okay, off-road scooter. We're off-roading with it. Okay. Whoa, okay. Whoa. My helmet's not off-road proof. Where is everybody? Why is no one outside hanging out on this beautiful day? Where's the volleyball people? Spectrum scared them away. But yeah, this scooter is really nice. It's like in between a last mile scooter and a legit performance scooter. It's pretty lightweight because it only has one motor, which I honestly like. The dual motor is great if you're like racing, 96 volt Sur-Rons. But for what I use a scooter for, just one motor's fine. Good top speed is fine, and a nice range is all I really look for. And one that can fold up and is not too heavy. Gotta show you guys this troll creature. Hey, let's go find our scooters. I found your scooter. If you found this video, you just found your scooter. It's the Isinwheel GT1. I believe they're having a Thanksgiving Black Friday deal going on right now. Also, I have a promo code and a link down below that supports the channel. There's too many people here. That's it. That's all I needed to see. I'll put the footage in slow motion if I really want to examine every little piece of driftwood that his hair is made out of. Malin the troll. He says you can touch him, but you can't climb him. That's what I say. That's what I tell the short, drunk little Latin chicks at the bar. We're gonna head down Lamar. We are going to go to Starbucks. We're just not going to the Starbucks that we go to every day. Whoa, that one got me good. My camera good? Whew, camera's good. That, if I wasn't wearing goggles or a helmet, that tree would have blinded me. Hello. I would have lost at least an eye. You talking to me? She actually cooked dinner this month, she said. Dude, this is a pretty fun little path for a Scooty boy, especially a quick one. Let me hit my horn. Oh yeah. Solid horn. Very solid. Whoa, that tree. That tree, I guarantee people have hit themselves on that tree. Okay, we go this way. I don't know where I'm going. I'm just having a blast on my Scooty boy. Gotta quit calling it that. Trying to pop out as close to Starbucks as I can. I already went too far. Look at this guy just enjoying the view. Okay, we're not too far. Dude, Austin is so sick. Oh, it's right down here. I believe we are almost there. And yes, I will be bringing my Scooty inside. And yes, I will be charging it there. Did an open mic here the other night. Tiniest bar, and let me tell you, it is the tiniest bar. And it is the shittiest open mic in town. That guy's about to get a parking ticket from that mean-looking woman. Alright guys, that's the GT1 from Isinwheel. We made it to our destination. Check them out in the link down below. They do have a Black Friday sale going on. Score yourself a Scooty for a reasonable price. I think it was $549, and that's without the deal. So if you purchase the scooter, let me know how much you ended up paying for it with my promo code and all the savings and all that. And let me know what you think. Do you need a rear-wheel drive off-road scooter? Is that the kind of PEV that you're in the market for? Let your boy know. And also, keep loophole culture underground. Support your local loophole. Good enough isn't. Peace.